you have one scones plain and raisin. After lime and chocolate, white chocolate, Nancy noise, raspberry and peach, cheesecake wet fruit, and choux, vanille, and caramel. And so panna cotta, banana and chocolate. And you have the sandwich, eggs and salad, chicken and almonds, salmon, cucumber and Philadelphia, tomato and cheddar, and mushrooms.
Okay. Thank you.
No worries. And for the scones, you have double cream of Gruyere and homemade jam.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry for my English.